How to add Amazon affiliate links to YouTube Short. So if you want to add your affiliate links to your YouTube Shorts that you post, then this video is for you. So the first thing we need to do is to head over right here into our YT Studio. You can have this app installed and make sure to log in into your own account. I'll head over and log in into mine. Click on the Get Started and you should be able to see this. So what we can do is we can head over right here to our content and then click on this plus icon that we can see right here and then upload right here a video that you want. I just have in here this video and it will be recognized as a short. Into this part, what we can do is we can head over and add in here a promotion if we want. You can add a promotion label if you want to as well. And if you have a product option, you can have that as well. In my case, I'll head over and add the actual link into the caption just like this, and you can also have it shorted if you would want as well. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, feel free to like and subscribe. It really helps supports the channel. And if you got a question, just drop it in the comments.